Hey everybody, we're back if you're new. Thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today we have a massive, yes, big Bath and Body Works haul. I've had this stuff for a while. It is from the semi-annual sale. I went in, and I don't know if anybody else does this, but I'm like, oh, we need some body wash. Let me just run in and grab some. And then I get home and I'm like, shit, it wasn't body wash. It was hand soap. So now I have 20 body washes, but I had no hand soap. So I'm like, okay, mental note, when you see a Bath and Body, go in there and get hand soap. Happened to be having a sale. So the next thing I knew, I bought a lot of stuff. I bought a lot of stuff, okay? But it's like, if you're going to use the stuff anyway, you might as well get it on sale. I have my receipt here. Okay. I purchased a lot of stuff, and if you didn't know, if you have a Victoria's Secret credit card, you can use it at Bath and Body Works. So just throwing that out there for you, because that's what I did, because I get points and then I get coupons from Victoria's Secret. Anyway, I spent $68.68. That was before tax. So total was $72.80. I actually saved, yeah, Coco got a new necklace. I actually saved $133.33. Savings. $134 basically I saved. While she was ringing it up, I totally was thinking this is probably going to be like $150, and it was only 70 something, just over $70. So that's amazing. I picked up stuff I wouldn't normally pick up. I picked up stuff I didn't even know that they sold. Okay, I was just picking stuff up. This thing is super heavy. I'm just gonna pull a few things out at a time. Okay, so we picked up 3 of these. This one is champagne toast, and then we got strawberry pound cake. There's 30 in each set, made with vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and then natural essential oils. So I grabbed these. They're $8.50. I did not pay $8.50. I don't remember what I paid, but I know that like they were a really good price, and I was like, let me just try a few of these. So I felt like these are good to keep in the car, just because why not? Why wouldn't I? I have a receipt. Why don't I look at the receipt and I could know how much I paid for them? Oh, so these were actually 75% off, so I paid $2.12 for each of these, regularly $8.50. 75% off. I guess if I would known if I'd like these, I would have grabbed more, but I don't really need sanitizing wipes anymore. The kids don't really use the wagon, so that's normally where I would keep something like this. So now it's just basically leave it in the car. So anyway, got these. I found this in the bag, but I know I had this before and it doesn't feel full, so I think I already had this. Pretty sure I already had this. I don't see a lotion anywhere on here. I was gonna say, I could have sworn I got a spray. I did get a spray. So we got Hibiscus Paradise. This is regularly $16.50. It was 50% off, so I paid $8.25 for this. Oh, this smells nice. Doesn't remind me of Hawaii, but it does smell nice. Want to smell it? It does smell nice. The one thing I will say about their products is I feel like the scent doesn't last, and people say, well, you have to use the soap, the lotion, and then the spray. It still doesn't last. It's not like if you went and got a Chanel perfume or a Christian Dior perfume, those last. That scent lasts all day. But also, you know, they're not $8, so there's that. Okay, we got a bunch of foaming hand soaps. I only buy the foaming hand soaps. I feel like they're easier to rinse off for me and for the kids. But I got a few of these. I should have gotten more. I only got 5 of them. Regularly, these are $7.50. They were on sale, so I only paid $3.25. Normally, it's like 4 for $20. And here I paid $13. So saved $7. I should have bought more. So we got pineapple mango, we got pink lemonade. We actually got 2 pink lemonades because this one smelled really good. Oh, we got 3 because it smelled good. And then we got a pink peach blossom. I don't remember. I know we've purchased the pink lemonade multiple times, so I know what that smells like, but I don't remember this. Oh, it has a nice peachy smell. It smells like a peachy blossom. Okay, and then pineapple mango. I like really sweet or tropical type of scents. I definitely don't like musky or lavender. Oh yes. Why didn't I pick up more? Probably because my bag was already filling up. That's probably why. Okay, and then we got a bunch of body washes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 body washes. 2 are like male scents or man body washes. So they're normally $13.50. We got them on sale $3.95. $3 $13.50. We paid $3.95. We saved $9.55. Times that by 10, we saved 90 something dollars just on these, okay? That's a deal. That's a deal. So when this sale comes back around, I probably won't need to stock up because I actually have like 12 body washes already. I will still stock up again, okay? We're gonna keep it in rotation. I feel like people probably buy a ton of these at such an amazing price and then go on Poshmark and sell them. Do they do that? I'm not gonna do that, but I'm sure people do that. Anyway, so the two man smells that we got. Oh, this is a 3-in-1, which seems pretty manly. It's a hair, face, and body wash. I personally would never use one soap to wash my face, wash my body, and wash my hair. Literally would never in my life do that. This is a 2-in-1. This is a hair and body. I would not do that either. I would never wash my hair and my body with the same soap. That's probably why my husband's skin looks better than mine. It smells manly. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells like a man. Kind of like a dad. I don't know. Does that make sense? This one is Whitewater Rush. This reminds me of like a Cool Water or something. I feel like when I married my husband or when I met him, he would wear Cool Water and I didn't like the way that smelled. And now if I smell it, it's just like a nostalgic thing. Is that weird? Anyway, the rest of our body washes are gonna be similar to like the hand soaps because I really do like those tropical, fruity, sweet smells. And then obviously sweet pea is like the holy grail of holy grails. My husband always liked Japanese cherry blossom, which I like, but I feel like it's very overpowering. But obviously sweet pea is gonna always be like, that is my number one. That's the one, okay? Anyway, we got a Hibiscus Paradise to match. Why didn't I buy any lotions? Why didn't I? I don't know. I feel like I thought I did, but I guess I did not. Anyway, we got the soap to match that. Pink Pineapple Sunrise. A little bit of a pineapple scent, not strong. Very sweet, tropical smell, mama likey. Then we got Fiji Sunshine Guavatini. Sweet guava scent. I mean, I feel like they fit what they're supposed to be. Bahama Passion Fruit and Banana Flowers. We have a theme here, right? Tropical. We've purchased this before. I know this smell, but I can't explain it to you. Do I have this in a hand soap? Because I feel like it was I don't know. I probably had it in a hand soap and in this, but I can't explain it. It's a fruity passion fruit scent. Sun Kissed. Let's see. I don't know. It's sweet, but not tropical. I don't know. If you like, let's see, if you like sweet pea or the more fruity smells, then all of these you will like. Forever Red. Whoa, what happened, Coco? This is not a sweet scent. This isn't a sweet scent, but it's not overpowering. And I like it.
I'm gonna get one.
Okay. It's not as strong as Japanese Cherry Blossom. To me, smells great. I actually have the sanitizer right here. It smells great, but it is very overpowering. Oh, you can't smell it because you gotta pop it open. There you go. Then we have one more. It's Peaks Iced Raspberry Bellini. It smells fruity because of the raspberry. I like it. I feel like, is this a Christmas one? Because it has like a little snowflake. So this was probably Christmas, right? You should buy more. When Christmas comes around and then they have all those Christmas scents and they're trying to get rid of them, I buy those bad boys up too, okay? I feel like this was a quick video. Yummy, it smells yummy. I feel like this was a quick video, but also if you like certain scents, like say you like Pink Pineapple Sunrise. The rest of these that I mentioned outside of these man smells, you're going to like, including the spray, the hand soap, all of it, you're gonna like these. And even this one, it's not fruity. You wanna smell? It's not fruity, but it has a nice scent to it that I can't explain it to you, but I'm not mad at it. I honestly would have bought a lot more, but we have a cabinet with shelves in the bathroom and I have them all in a container and we literally have like 12 of them, and there's no, we don't need 12 plus now 10. We don't need 22 bath soaps, but we have them, and that's okay. So, like I said, if you like one of these, you would like any of these, and if you can find them on sale, then definitely pick them up. I did use the wipes. I used the wipes to like wipe some makeup or something really quick one day, and I'm not mad at them. For the price, that's pretty good, but you can get something significantly cheaper at like Walmart or Target, I'm sure. Even on sale, they were still, I don't know how much they were. Oh, okay, well, they were $2. So you could probably find something for $1 at the Dollar Tree, but they're not gonna be like, those are nice, okay? For $2, they're nice. Anyway, now I can finally put all this stuff away because this bag has been sitting here in this room for, how long have we lived in this house? If you haven't watched it, we have the empty house tour out because we just moved. When did we buy these? I don't think we even had this house yet. So this stuff has been sitting in the bag for a month. It's a book. But what else is it? It's a palette. Oh, you tricked them. Yeah, so the stuff has been sitting there forever, okay? Finally getting this done. I feel like I'm getting some work done today, probably because I'm sucking the coffee down, okay? I get my drink is, I'm sharing because I'm sharing, okay? I get a venti iced mocha, extra double shot, so that's 5 shots. 2 Splendid, no whipped cream, and I get it in the Trenti cup or Trenti, whatever, however you say that. It is the largest cup they have. They only use it for like the refreshers and the teas, but I get it in this cup so I can get extra ice. Otherwise, it's like cold here and it's like super hot down here still, and I hate that, so I like all that extra ice. Anyway, it also costs like $7 and some change, but I'm zooming right now. Anyway, let's end this. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Hi, Yaya.
Hello. And a good danger.
Soap.
Soapy. Soapy, soapy, soapy. My boom. Soapy, soapy, soapy.
Say hi.
Yeah.
She's yeah.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. We need some body.
1, 2, 3. Ah, I want again.
What are you doing?